Hey there, people. Well, it's Sunday. Supper time. Shelly's reading her book and shit. Having a little barbecue. Barbecue. But anyway, I was trying to saw some wood today with my chainsaw, and well, I'm gonna do a repair video. My chainsaw snagged and it just doesn't start anymore. Let's take her apart and fix her up. I was trying to saw through that huge log, and my chainsaw just died. Like, she won't start. Oh, there's just barely nothing. Okay, so we'll take that apart and see what's happening. Well, there she is. We got her apart. Now we gotta get into the guts and see what's going on. Oh, we've got a blown spring, I think. Yeah. See? We have a blown spring. And the spring's back together. Right on. Let's reassemble this chainsaw.
What is it?
The chainsaw.
A plastic chainsaw.
Yeah, it was broken. I had to fix it. So I did a repair video.
Well, what is it supposed to do, pray tell?
Cut that wood.
Oh, I hope you didn't pay for this.
Okay, we'll test this out. Oh, no, she's jammed right straight up. Oh, no. Oh, I left it. Back to the drawing board. Hey, watch my chainsaw! God damn, I'm trying to fix that. No, that's my screwdriver. Troublemaker. Okay, let's reassemble this for real. It's
retarded.
I think it's missing the thingamajig from the jiggader.
I think it's retarded.
It's
Go
a
get
jiggader.
yourself a Lego set like every other fucking kid.
I spent big bucks on this chainsaw, buddy. This is a bigger project than I thought it'd be. Like, I didn't know there was a spring involved. She still doesn't start though. Okay, we'll put it back together. Maybe it's the carburetor or what. Just like brand new.
You got it working, wow. And you even showed a real chainsaw.
She didn't chop it up afterwards, that's why.
See, it works good now. Just chopped up the big log. Hey, that's my log.
All it does is vibrate.
Yeah, it doesn't chop. It doesn't go nowhere.
Ow! Oh, sorry, Dave.
Come on. Beat him up, Cody. Beat him up. Look
What
at
did he
this.
do to David?
Look what he did, honey. Look, come and look at... No, look at that.
It still doesn't start. Let me show you. It's kind of late, but... Hold on. I thought it might be a carb problem, but... There's no carb in it. It's a spring. Why won't it start? Let's try to put some gas in it. Okay. We got her all gassed up. I'm not sure if it's the right fuel mixture. But anyway, let's try to get her fired up. I don't know, man. Something's wrong with my chainsaw for real. It doesn't want to start. I don't understand. It's firing. I just don't want to start. Oh, she's overheating, I think. Man, why can't anything go right for me? Like, just wanted to cut that little piece of wood. Ah, she's seized right up now. It's just seized. And doesn't smell good. Well, I just want to give a big shout out, a cheers to Bell Kramer 80. Cheers. Corey Lynn. Well, we ran into each other at the pet food warehouse or whatnot. She stopped to say hi, but she didn't stick around. I went to shoot the breeze with you, man. So everybody go to her channel and give her shit for me. You should have talked to me. You were there, man. You were there. I wouldn't talk to me either. Anyway, people. Later.